won't stop till I hear him say,
Warning: the information that we convey in these videos and the content on this page simply provides general consumer information. It is not legal advice or regulatory guidance. It is not intended to sway your personal bias in any way. We are simply just relaying information already available to the general public. We highly suggest you do your own research and draft your own opinion on the topics disclosed in this video breakdown. Without further ado, sit back, relax, enjoy this video breakdown, and if you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, consider doing so now. Okay, what is going on, CYPRX advanced YouTubers? Welcome back to the CYPRX YouTube page. In today's video breakdown, I'm going to give you all an updated price prediction in the short term on XRP price action. First, we're going to cover this tweet that I put out to you all on December 22nd, giving you guys an XRP price prediction that has almost come into fruition. I said to you all on December 22nd, if XRP can hold bullish above 35 cents, I will be looking for intraday trades up into 37.5 cents for logical take profit areas. I'm going to explain to you all why we were looking to take profit at these 37.5 cent psychological levels. I'm going to give you guys my bullish and bearish targets on XRP, what price levels I will be looking for in the short term over the next couple of weeks on XRP heading into 2023. I also said to you all in this tweet, if we close bearish below the 343 cent psychological level, I will reevaluate this bullish scenario. So I tweeted out this picture to you all, again, giving you guys the realist price expectation on XRP all throughout the year, ahead of the curve here on the CYPRX YouTube channel. If you guys have enjoyed these technical analysis breakdowns, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you all want a more in-depth perspective on what it is that we teach to our CYPRX students on the way that we analyze the markets. Make sure that you check out the link in the description down below to visit our CYPRX mentorship program. If you all have any questions about enrollment, go ahead and message me via our customer support email and schedule a private Zoom call. So you all can see that on December 22nd, I tweeted out to you all right when price action broke this market structure high on XRP, that we were going to be looking for intraday targets up into 37.5 cents. So I'm going to go over why we were looking at these potential areas for targets, my overall bullish perspective on XRP, my bearish targets on XRP, and what it is that I'm going to be looking for, okay? So why were we looking at price coming into 37.5 cents? First of all, we are on the 4-hour time frame. I did this technical analysis on the 4-hour charts. And if you look at where price action was, roughly when I tweeted this price prediction out to you all, we were operating just above the 343 psychological level, okay? So I'm going to explain to you guys why we were looking for bullish scenarios based off of this price action here. But let's talk about the target areas first, 37.5 cents. This is the last area. If I turn on my session indicators during London session, okay, specifically London session is the blue vertical line, we can see that this was the last significant area, 37.5 cents, where London session sold from in the form of a premium before breaking previous market structure, creating a new leg to the downside or a new swing low on the 4-hour chart. So what we were looking for and what we were analyzing here in this general vicinity is that if the market makers are going to continue to sell, they're not going to just keep selling from lows. They're going to push price action up into a premium, i.e. giving the definition of bearish order flow, lower lows and lower highs. They're going to push price action back up, most likely into a premium area where banking institutions sold from before, and they're going to look to facilitate more orders to the downside if they do push price action back down to the downside, okay? That's something that I'm going to be paying attention to. However, why was it in this general vicinity based off of market structure and price action, was I telling you that price was going to head back up into 37.5 cents? It all has to do with structure and the way that we analyze the chart. So I will go ahead and I'll get rid of this and I'll show you on the 4-hour time frame what it was that we were seeing in the market. So here in this general vicinity, we saw pre-engineered lows in the market or retail traps in the form of early buyers beneath lows. We know that market makers or whales or whoever is in control of this market with more money than you and I as retail investors are the only people with the amount of money to make this type of institutionalized pattern, which we teach you all to identify and have taught you all to identify multiple times on this YouTube channel. We see the triple touch of the trend line or pre-engineered lows in the market, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. We do not trade retail methodologies here at CYPRX. We trade against them. So we saw that this was a pre-engineered low in the market. And of course, it was exactly that. The market makers then, they came, they pushed price action down into a discount for themselves, liquidating any early buyers that tried to take leverage positions beneath these lows, guessing a bottom, and then they rejected a major psychological level. Now, if we're trading XRP up against the United States dollar, we're looking for price to respect the quarter theory. You guys can see right here, price respected the 33225 psychological level, which is a quarter theory level, and completely matched bullish momentum after the sweep of liquidity. So you guys can see here, pre-engineered low in the market, bearish manipulative move, and bulls completely matched the bears, setting up a retail equal high trap, or retail resistance trap, which gave us another indication that the market makers were ready and set to take price higher. We know that market makers do not trade retail resistance and supportive methodologies. They trade against them. They set up traps in the market, and this was a beautiful buy-sell trap here. So here they trapped buyers. They then created retail resistance above highs and manipulated more sellers by printing bearish candlesticks. You guys can go and read the definition of a bearish candlestick on Baby Pips. 99% of retail traders are selling when they see this type of bearish price action. However, here at CYPRX, we trade against that. We saw that this bullish match of momentum rejected a psychological level and matched equal highs, creating a retail pattern trap in the form of resistance traders. And then after the sweep of liquidity, which was right here, created a higher low, higher high formation. So here is the higher low after the sweep of liquidity that led to a new market structure A to B move, breaking previous market structure highs or that equal high area in the form of retail resistance traps that we had identified. So now we can go ahead and classify this as a break of structure top, or the market maker signaling to us that bulls are now in control. They manipulated sellers, they dropped price down into a discount, they bought price from a discount, and then they facilitated buys at a discount from where they manipulated price to then take price higher. This is the definition of bullish order flow, where the market maker is creating higher lows and higher highs in the market. I tweeted this out to you all when price action was roughly here, that if we create a higher low above 34300 psychological level, we were expecting price to come up into the 37.5 cent psychological level. Here's even the video clip from our private Zoom call that we held last Friday, where we told the CYPRX students well in advance that we were looking for XRP to facilitate a pullback, hold above this major psychological level, and continue higher. And I simply just targeted the retail money above these equal highs, and you guys can see that the market makers bought price, attacked those equal highs, and now the market is making an indecisive move, where most likely we're going to come back, we're going to retest this area if we don't hold above this 50 moving average, and maybe create a higher low in the market to come and move price higher. Okay, so right now my stops are moved to break even. My take profit one was hit. If we do get a pullback and we maintain price action above the 34300 psychological level over the weekend and heading into Monday and Tuesday price action of next week, I will seek to facilitate another buy up into my take profit too. So just to show you all that we break down technical analysis very logical here at CYPRX, we put this price prediction out to you all well in advance of 37.5 cents if we hold above the 34300 cent psychological level for price action on XRP to come up into these logical targets. Okay, so now that that is out of the way, I've explained to you all why we were targeting these areas based off of logic, based off the ideology that the market makers are not just going to keep selling from lows. If they're going to keep selling, they're going to attempt to push price action up into premium so that they can profit from liquidating buyers and sellers, and then they're going to sell from where previous banking institutions sold from, which looks like that's what's happening as of right now. If we do not break above this 37-cent psychological level, maybe we see a potential pullback. However, we will be monitoring this price action closely. We also witnessed that the market maker set up a trap in the market beneath lows. They manipulated those lows by liquidating them, rejecting a psychological level, matching with bullish momentum, and creating bullish order flow after that that led to a market higher low, higher high formation. I tweeted this price prediction out to you all when price action was roughly right here. That gave you an optimal opportunity to enter in on a potential higher low or a pullback in price action. I also had a private Zoom call with the students, giving them this price analysis and sending this trade price prediction ahead of the curve in our private group chat. Okay. So what are we looking for XRP price action to do in the short term? If this bullish momentum does continue and we do create higher highs and higher lows on XRP, Our first initial take profit areas for more intraday trading targets will be above the 40-cent psychological level to come and liquidate any over leveraged players that are operating above these equal highs here on XRP, or we can imagine retail trading resistance traders are having over leveraged sell positions open above these equal highs. 40 cents will be our first logical take profit area to come and liquidate any over leveraged players above these highs to the downside. If we cannot hold, I'm going to change this 300-cent psychological level to the 35-cent psychological level. If we cannot hold bullish above the 35-cent psychological level, I'm expecting lower price action to come into fruition on XRP, anywhere between 30 to 25 cents on XRP. XRP is one of the only cryptocurrencies that is yet to take out its June lows. In my personal opinion, I still think that that is going to happen. However, I do not have a timestamp on that. We will continue to pay attention to psychological levels. As you all can see, if I drag this 35-cent psychological level over to the left-hand side, it played a significant key role in holding quote-unquote support or institutional buy interest at this level in the past. So you guys can now currently see similar price action where we maintain price action below 35 cents. We broke above that and came back for a retest. Maybe we're doing that as of right now. You guys can see that right now we're holding above 35 cents. Maybe we come back to that 35-cent psychological level for a retest. If we hold above 35 cents, I'm looking for that 40-cent target to come into fruition on XRP, maybe even a little bit higher of anywhere between 41 to 42 cents to come and take out this retail trend line liquidity right here, where over-leveraged retail resistance traders are most likely taking sell positions above highs, maybe even putting more sell positions in here above these highs, looking for this price action to come into fruition if we do hold above 35 cents. However, if at any given point in time we break below 35 cents and we close bearish below, I'm still expecting those lower price targets on XRP to come into fruition of the low 30s and anywhere between 30 to 25 cents on XRP. Again, XRP is one of the only utility-driven assets aside from QNT that has not liquidated its June lows. All other utility-driven assets that we trade here at CYPRX has liquidated its June lows. XLM, Casper, XDC, HBAR, XRP, and QNT are the only utility-driven assets that I personally trade that have not liquidated their lows. So I'm paying close attention to these lower levels and price targets on XRP and paying attention to see if bears can take over the buyers into 2023 Q1 and Q2. We will be monitoring this price action. Blessings to you all. If you all want these price predictions and you're not a CYPRX student, you're going to have to follow me on Twitter, where I give you guys bi-weekly XRP updates and price predictions on my Twitter feed. If you all are interested in how it is that we analyze the markets technically via our mentorship program, that link is in the description down below. You all are always more than welcome to reach out, schedule a Zoom call with me, and I can show you all what it is that you will have access to. As always, do your own personal research. Make sure that you all are cognizant. You're being aware out there. Blessings, and I will see you all in the next YouTube video breakdown.
I won't stop till I hear him say